Welcome to our video on the English idiom, bad blood. Today, we'll explore its meaning, origin, and usage in sentences. Bad blood refers to feelings of hostility or strong dislike between people or groups. The origin of this idiom dates back to the 14th century, rooted in medieval medical theories. Medieval physicians believed that emotional distress was caused by an imbalance of bodily fluids, or humors. Bad blood became a metaphor for long-standing animosity or unresolved disputes. Now, let's see how this idiom is used in sentences to provide better context. Despite their shared history, there was always bad blood between the two rival families. The soccer teams have had bad blood since their controversial match last season. Years after the falling out, there's still bad blood between the former business partners. The heated argument resulted in bad blood between the co-workers, affecting office morale. Attempts at reconciliation failed, leaving bad blood and a strained relationship between the neighbors. We hope these examples clarify how bad blood can be used in everyday conversations. Understanding idioms like bad blood enriches our language skills and deepens our cultural knowledge. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating insights into the English language.